Hi everyone, Bae Solo is in her kitchen. Hi out there, new subscribers, all subscribers, non-subscribers. Hello to the spammers. Hello to the trolls. Welcome to Bae Solo. You guys need to see what happened to me today. Yes, it is funny. And I am going to make me some of this right now. Some honey, citric ginger tea, because I'm still sleepy. I went live already, but I did something you guys gonna be so shocking. So I'm gonna make my tea real quick. let me get my tea together. I need to pull some energy here. I'm kind of lagging. I'm kind of slowing down. Hold on for a second. Okay, I'm gonna make my tea. This is this honey citric ginger tea. It's very good for you. It helps with the inflammation in your body. And this is what it looks like. It looks like this. Oh, whoops, I almost dropped it. I made it in time. It looked like jelly. Yes. So I'm going to make this in my cup. I need to make me some tea. I need to wake myself up because I did something. You guys don't want to believe what I have done. y'all going to die laughing when I show y'all what I did. Okay, I know I messed up my tea when I tried to make it from scratch before, right? So this tea here, I don't want that much. I'll put some back. This tea here, there it is. This tea here, I'm going to, let me put the top on. I'm going to put it on for a minute here. I'm going to make sure I got enough because it has its own sweetening. You don't have to worry about all that because it's got the honey and the ginger and the citric tea. I'm going to add water, bottled water. I don't use sink water. Yeah, I know people might talk about bottled water. Might not be good either, but hey, it's my prerogative. So let me stir it up. And it looks like this. And I'm going to stir it until it gets super smooth. Yeah. I'm making this tea because I needed y'all. I did something. Y'all going to die laughing. Well, I know I did. I was cracking up. Let me see how it tastes. Oh, that's good. I don't need any more. Okay, let me put the top on this. Where's my towel? Where's my towel? I'm going to put the top on this. I'm going to put it in the fridge. You have to keep it in the refrigerator. It stays in the refrigerator. And I keep it clean because, you know, it's just like jelly. And this is very healthy. It's natural. It's very natural. You can drink it cold or hot. And it got the ginger. It got the citric in here. It got the honey. Oh my God, it's delicious. I love it. Yeah. So I'm cleaning it. So before I put it in the refrigerator, I'll be right back. Yeah, so what I really want to show you guys that I did because I wanted to eat a certain bread. I want to eat a certain bread. But let me make my tea real quick. So I'm through with this water. And what I'll do with this water, I will use it in my ice maker. See, I sit my bottles here like this. And I will add it in my ice maker so my ice maker don't break down. So let Bae Solo get the camera ready. Y'all going to be surprised what I did. I am dying laughing right now. I am cracking up. I am cracking up. Okay, let me stir this up. Just wait for it, you guys. You gotta be patient. I'm just dying laughing. You guys gonna die when y'all tell you what happened. Okay, let me try my tea. Oh, it's just right. Right now, I can drink this like this. I don't even have to warm it. But I'm gonna warm it because I'm serious. Look at it. Oh, look at that. See? The jelly is gone. Oh, well, let me let you look at it real good. See that? See that? Ah, yeah. Jelly is gone. But what I really want to show you guys is not about this tea. But I mentioned this tea because it's good tea. And you should try it. You should go buy it. They sell it at Costco if you got that in your state. And no other store but Costco. And it's healthy. And I'm going to put it in the microwave. Hold on. But this is not what I really want to talk about. I want to talk about what I did before I went live. I want to talk about what I did before I went live. Before I went live, I'm finna come to the end of my video. Okay, I wanted some spinach to eat, right? I want to eat some spinach and sweet potatoes. I love eating spinach and sweet potatoes together. And I needed cornbread. So, I went to sleep today. Before I woke up and went on my live, I woke up and I was like, what's that smell? So, this is what happens to you guys when you go to sleep and you put your food on, and I had the timer on. So, this is my bread. Hard as a brick. Hard as a brick. This is Dave Solo's bread. Oh my God. You can't even make no dressing out of this cornbread. And it was cooked in this pan right here. This is the pan it was cooked in. Look at my bread. I came in my house, and when I woke up, I said, why is it so hot in here? The house was hot. The house was so hot. And I found out my oven was at 400, right? And then I found my bread. Look. Look at my bread. So I cannot eat my spinach and my sweet potatoes because I want my cornbread. So I'm going to eat the rest of my nachos. I got leftovers. I'm eating leftover nachos for dinner. I just wanted to share this. Let me see, can I break it up? Hold on. Let me see what happens. Let's see. Let's do a test, y'all. Let's do a test. That is too funny to me. I don't care. I just have to get some more bread tomorrow. So what I did, I put my sweet potatoes in the refrigerator with my baked fish and my spinach. So this is the bread. Look, I can't even break it. You can't even make dressing out of this. Dang. Oh my God. You can feed the birds. Oh my God. Look at this bread. Look at that, you guys. This is too funny. Oh, this is too funny. Should I give these to the birds outside, y'all? Oh my God. This is Dave Solo bread. And look at it. It smells so good. And it smells burnt at the same time. Thank you for watching Dave Solo channel. I just had to share that. This is from going to sleep, putting on the timer, cooking, and then wake up on time. Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching Dave Solo. I'm not back in the kitchen. I wasn't in the kitchen, y'all. It was in the kitchen by itself. Not Dave Solo. Okay? Bye.